Hey y'all, welcome to Zig's Woodshed. My name is Monica and I'm coming to you from the shop today. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much for purchasing one of our lanterns. And if you purchased it online, it came flat packed, similar to this, and that is to protect it during shipping. And the purpose of this video is to show you how to assemble your new lantern. Now, all of the pieces are shipped face up, meaning the exterior faces are all shipped face up. And you'll also notice that the back side may have some charring or some discoloration from the laser bed. That is completely normal. And that side needs to go to the inside so you can't see it. Now, there are two wide pieces and two narrow pieces. The wide pieces will be on the bottom, the narrow pieces will be on top, followed by the bottom or the base, and then the lid. You'll also notice that there are these little rectangles that will be inserted into these slots, and that is to keep it safe during shipping and keep these little tabs from breaking off because they are a little bit flexible. There's a bonus feature on this lantern. You are able to disassemble it each year and store it. So I would recommend hanging on to these little rectangles so that you can store them safely and keep the tabs from breaking off. Now, the base is rectangular, and you'll want to take the long side and pair it up with the wide sides, the the sides of the lantern, the wide pieces, and you want to there are slots and tabs for you to assemble. So you'll take the long piece of the rectangle with the wide piece of the lantern, and you will just put it in. And the bottom fits a little bit snug. So you'll, again, charge side toward the inside, and you will fit in the second piece. Then the narrow sides will slide into these grooves on the long side. So you will just line it up, slide it on. You may need to adjust the wider pieces slightly so that it will fit. All right, now that one's seated. And then finally, again, charred side goes to the inside. And you will slide this one in. Make sure the tab goes in the slot. And then you'll take your fairy lights, which are included. The batteries are not included, so you'll need 2 AA batteries. And you will just unwind the lights. So they come with the lights are coiled and then wrapped around themselves. So you'll just uncoil the lights. And these are fairy lights. You'll just completely uncoil them. Okay, once the lights are uncoiled, you can see we have quite a few lights here. You're just going to drop them in. I like to just let the lights do their own thing. They kind of end up taking up the whole box, the whole lantern. And you'll just turn them on. Drop it in. And then put the top on. Now the top, like I said, is a little bit more loose than the bottom so that you can easily remove it. Turn the lights on and off, and then place it back on top. There you have it. That's how you assemble one of our Zig's Woodshed lanterns. This is our snowflake design. It's our most popular design. Make sure you check us out online, zigswoodshed.com. We also have an Etsy store, also Zig's Woodshed. Make sure you follow us on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for your purchase, and I hope you enjoy your holiday season.